This short video will walk you through the steps to install the newest version of DCS World version 2.9. Note that the base install of DCS World is free to download, install, and play. Installing DCS World is a fairly simple process. First, head over to the DCS website and register to create an account. You will receive an email asking you to verify your account. Once your account is created, log into your account and then click the Download Free button. This will bring you to the download page where you will download the DCS World installer. Here I downloaded the installer to my desktop. With the download complete, you can now find the installer and double-click to begin the installation process. Accept any user account control warnings, select your language, and accept the user agreement. Next, choose where you would like to install DCS. Note that the directory DCS World will be automatically created for you. Accept all defaults and finally, click Install. There may be several flashes during this process. Once setup is complete, make sure the Start Download checkbox is ticked and click Finish. Again, accept any Windows warning boxes that may pop up. Click Proceed on the Release Notes screen. More warnings may pop up, just accept them. The download and install will commence. Depending on your internet connection, this could take some time. Once the install is complete, click OK. A restart will be necessary. I clicked No in order to finish some things up, but you should click Yes if you are ready to restart. DCS comes with two free planes, one being the Su-25T. Head to the Downloads tab at the top of the website and download the flight manual for that or any other vehicles you may be interested in. When you're ready, launch DCS by using the DCS World MT launcher icon. Log in using the account you created at the beginning of this process and enjoy exploring DCS.